Did you know that most people who use baking soda don't know all the amazing things it can do? It's true. Many homes have this simple kitchen ingredient that doesn't cost much, but they're not using it to its full potential. Some experts even think baking soda is one of the most helpful but overlooked things we have. Think about it. How many times have you used baking soda for baking a cake or cleaning your fridge and not thought about other ways it could be used? What if this plain white powder has been used for many surprising things throughout history, and some of these uses could really change how you think about your health? What are we missing out on? And why don't more people talk about how powerful baking soda really is? In this video, we're going to tell you about the incredible health benefits of baking soda that most people don't know. We'll also talk about how to use it safely and who needs to be careful when using it. If you care about your health and want to make good choices, you really should watch this. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the best health tips from Senior Health Guide. Let's build a healthier, stronger future together. Okay, let's get started with the amazing health benefits of baking soda. First, baking soda isn't just for baking and cleaning. People often say it can help your body's natural cleaning process. When you mix baking soda with water, it becomes alkaline, which can help balance out acids inside and outside your body. Baking soda baths are often used to calm mild skin rashes, stop itching, and soothe irritated skin. Soaking in a baking soda solution is thought to help pull out bad stuff, making your body feel more balanced and your skin feel refreshed. Even though there's not a lot of scientific proof that this popular home remedy cleanses the skin, many people say they feel much better and more comfortable after using it. The story gets even more interesting inside your body. Some health experts say that drinking a little baking soda mixed with water can make your blood and pee less acidic, which helps your body get rid of waste. There's some science to back this up, especially for people with certain health problems. For example, sodium bicarbonate pills can help slow down chronic kidney disease by reducing acid buildup in the blood. A study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology suggests that baking soda, when used with a doctor's help, might improve your body's natural cleaning process, especially for people who need help controlling their acid levels. But it's important to remember that your body is already very good at keeping the right balance, and big changes in your diet are hard to make. Using too much baking soda can also have bad effects, so it's important to use it in moderation. When used correctly, baking soda can be a gentle and cheap way to help your body's natural cleaning process and make you feel refreshed. Next, there's a reason why baking soda is in so many toothpastes and home remedies. It's a powerful tool for whitening teeth and keeping your mouth healthy. You've probably noticed how clean and smooth your teeth feel after brushing with a little baking soda. This is because baking soda is a mild scrub that helps remove stains from things like tea, coffee, and other foods that can make your smile look dull. When used the right way, baking soda's gentle texture helps polish your teeth without damaging them, unlike harsh whitening treatments. But the benefits don't stop at a brighter smile. Because baking soda is alkaline, it helps balance the acids in your mouth. This is important because acidic conditions help bad bacteria grow, which can cause gum disease, cavities, and bad breath. By bringing your mouth's pH back into balance, baking soda makes it harder for these harmful germs to thrive, leading to healthier gums and fresher breath. Science supports these claims. For example, a study in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpaste with baking soda was much better at whitening teeth and removing plaque than toothpaste without it. Another study showed that baking soda can improve mouth health by reducing the number of bad germs. But it's important to use it in moderation. Using too much baking soda or brushing too hard can slowly wear away your tooth enamel because it's a bit abrasive. Dentists recommend using it only a few times a week and always with a soft bristled brush. When used correctly, baking soda can be a quick, cheap, and easy way to get a healthier, whiter, and cleaner smile at home. After that, it can relieve heartburn. Many people suffer from heartburn, a common and often annoying problem, especially after eating rich or spicy foods. Heartburn is caused by stomach acid coming back up into the tube that connects your mouth to your stomach, esophagus. It usually feels like a burning pain in your upper stomach and can go up into your throat. Things like pregnancy, weight gain, and certain medical conditions can make heartburn worse. Even though there are many over-the-counter antacids, you can find a quick and easy solution right in your kitchen. A tried-and-true way to quickly relieve heartburn is to mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly. There's a simple scientific reason why this works. Because baking soda is alkaline, it helps balance out the extra stomach acid that's causing the burning. This has been a common home remedy for years because it gives almost instant relief. The medical community actually recognizes sodium bicarbonate as a fast-acting antacid. A review in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology says it works well for quickly relieving occasional heartburn. The process is easy to understand and follow. You don't need expensive treatments or a trip to the pharmacy. All you need to feel better is a glass of water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a few minutes. This simple fix is one of the reasons why baking soda is still a common item in many homes. This common kitchen ingredient can make a big difference for anyone looking for fast and reliable heartburn relief, allowing you to get back to your day comfortably. Next up, baking soda has antifungal properties. Fungal infections are a common annoyance and can show up as itchy, red, or flaky skin. Fungi that like to grow in damp places cause things like ringworm and athlete's foot, especially in warm and humid areas like your feet. While there are many over-the-counter creams and sprays, baking soda is a simple and natural solution you might already have in your kitchen. This common household item has strong antifungal properties because it can change the conditions that fungi need to grow. Baking soda creates an alkaline environment on the skin, which weakens the walls of fungal cells, making it harder for them to live and multiply. There's scientific proof that this is more than just an old wives' tale. A study in the journal Mycopathologia found that a solution containing 10 grams of baking soda per liter could stop the growth of 80% of the types of fungi they tested. This impressive result shows that baking soda has potential as a natural antifungal agent. A basic remedy for athlete's foot is to put a paste made of baking soda and water directly on the affected areas or to soak your feet in a baking soda solution. Many people find that their itching and discomfort get better after just a few uses. It's also a great option for people who want to avoid harsh chemicals because it's non-toxic and gentle. This easy-to-find and affordable treatment is a good option for anyone struggling with stubborn fungal infections, helping them feel more comfortable and confident in their daily life. After that, it might help with UTIs, or urinary tract infections. UTIs are a common and often very painful problem, especially for women. The burning feeling when you pee, the frequent urge to go, and the general discomfort can make daily life difficult. While antibiotics are the usual treatment, some people look for natural remedies to ease symptoms and help with healing. Baking soda is one such remedy that has gained interest. The idea behind using baking soda for UTIs is that it can neutralize acids. When you mix baking soda with water and drink it in small amounts, it can make your urine less acidic. This change in pH might make it harder for the bacteria that cause UTIs to grow, which could help your body fight off the infection. Also, less acidic urine might lessen the burning feeling that makes UTIs so uncomfortable. There is some scientific evidence to support this idea. In a study published in the Japanese Journal of Urology, 33 women with recurring UTIs were treated with sodium bicarbonate. Many of them reported that their symptoms improved significantly after 4 weeks, including less pain and discomfort when urinating. While these findings are promising, it's important to remember that baking soda shouldn't replace medical treatment for UTIs, especially if they are severe. Baking soda might be a gentle and cheap way to relieve discomfort for people looking for extra relief along with prescribed treatments. However, keep in mind that severe or ongoing UTI symptoms need immediate medical attention. When used correctly, baking soda can be a helpful addition to your toolkit for managing urinary comfort and health. Next up, canker sores. These painful mouth ulcers can make eating and speaking uncomfortable. Fortunately, baking soda offers a simple home remedy. Thanks to its ability to neutralize acids and reduce inflammation, baking soda can help soothe irritation and promote faster healing when used as a mouth rinse or paste. Canker sores are often caused by stress, minor injuries in your mouth, or even certain foods. They can make it painful to eat, drink, and even talk. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, works wonders in this situation because of its special ability to neutralize acids in your mouth and create a more balanced pH environment. This is important because an acidic environment can make the pain worse and slow down healing. By rinsing your mouth with a solution of baking soda and water, usually half a teaspoon in a glass of warm water, you can reduce inflammation, ease pain, and speed up the healing process. And science backs this up, so don't just take my word for it. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that sodium bicarbonate mouthwashes significantly reduced pain and sped up healing in patients with recurring canker sores. The researchers found that baking soda's mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties help keep the sore clean and prevent bacteria from growing, both of which are crucial for healing. Plus, baking soda is gentle and less likely to irritate the sore compared to some over-the-counter remedies. The next time you feel a canker sore coming on, try a simple baking soda rinse. It's a natural, scientifically supported method you can use at home to relieve pain and promote mouth health. After that, it improves exercise performance. Did you know that a simple kitchen ingredient could give you a significant fitness boost? Yes, you can use baking soda for more than just cleaning your sink or baking cakes. Athletes use it as a secret weapon to fight muscle fatigue and improve how well they perform during exercise. Here's how it works. During intense exercise, your muscles release lactic acid, which lowers their pH and causes that familiar burning feeling. This acidity is a big reason for muscle tiredness, often making you stop before you're really ready. Sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda, acts as a natural buffer. When you take it before exercise, it helps balance out the extra acid in your muscles, allowing you to work out harder and for longer. This isn't just fitness myth, it has a strong scientific basis. A review of several studies published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that taking sodium bicarbonate supplements significantly improved performance in short, high-intensity exercises like cycling, swimming, and sprinting. The researchers found that athletes who took baking soda could maintain their best performance for longer and felt tired later. Athletes usually mix a teaspoon of baking soda with water and drink it about 60 to 90 minutes before their workout. However, it's important to start with small doses because too much can cause stomach problems like nausea or bloating. If you're looking for a natural, scientifically supported way to increase your endurance and get the most out of your training sessions, baking soda might be worth trying. But before adding it to your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions, be sure to talk to a healthcare provider. Give it a try and see if it makes a difference in your next workout. Then, it may aid in enhancing renal function. Imagine if something as basic as baking soda could help and protect your kidneys, especially if you have chronic kidney disease, CKD. In many people with CKD, the kidneys can't properly remove acid from the blood, a condition called metabolic acidosis. This buildup of acid can affect overall health and speed up kidney disease. This is where sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, comes in handy. It acts as a natural antacid, helping to balance the acid in your bloodstream. By lowering blood acidity, baking soda can reduce the strain on your kidneys and might even help prevent kidney disease from getting worse. There's real science behind this, it's not just a home remedy. A major study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology looked at patients with severe CKD and metabolic acidosis. The researchers found that the decline in kidney function was much slower in those who took daily sodium bicarbonate tablets compared to those who didn't. In fact, the group taking baking soda had a lower risk of reaching end-stage kidney disease and needing dialysis. The study also noted improvements in blood bicarbonate levels, which is a key indicator of the body's acid-base balance. Of course, it's crucial to remember that baking soda isn't a cure-all and should never be used without a doctor's approval. Too much can cause problems like high blood pressure or fluid retention, especially in people with heart or kidney issues. Always talk to a healthcare provider before taking baking soda as a supplement. If you or someone you know has chronic kidney disease, this common kitchen item might have a surprising impact on kidney health and quality of life when used properly and under medical supervision. After that, it can ease the discomfort of arthritis. Imagine using baking soda, something you might already have in your kitchen, to help relieve the pain associated with arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis, in particular, is marked by ongoing inflammation that causes joint pain, swelling, and stiffness, which can make everyday life difficult. While most people seek relief through medications and physical therapy, new research suggests that baking soda might be a convenient and safe alternative. There's interesting and promising science behind this. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology found that drinking a daily solution of baking soda in water could affect the body's immune system. According to the study, sodium bicarbonate helps calm the overactive immune response that causes conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, while also helping the body trigger its anti-inflammatory response. The study found that the balance of immune cells shifted towards a less inflammatory state, and both human and animal participants saw a noticeable decrease in inflammatory markers. So, baking soda might help relax the immune system and reduce joint pain and swelling, which are major challenges for people with arthritis. This research offers great possibilities for those with arthritis. Incorporating a simple baking soda drink or rinse into your daily routine might help reduce inflammation and improve joint comfort. It's encouraging and motivating to think that such a common household item could help ease arthritis pain. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term benefits, it reminds us that sometimes the best solutions are the most obvious. Next up, it controls the symptoms of gout. Gout is a particularly painful type of arthritis that usually affects the big toe or other joints, causing sudden severe pain, redness, and swelling. The main cause is a buildup of uric acid in the blood, which leads to inflammation and the formation of sharp crystals in the joints. Finding ways to lower uric acid levels and relieve the resulting pain is often necessary for managing gout. This is where sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, can be a surprisingly effective home remedy. Because baking soda is alkaline, it can help neutralize excess uric acid in the blood, reducing the chance of those painful crystals forming. By helping to restore a more balanced pH, baking soda can lessen the frequency and intensity of gout attacks. Alkalinizing agents like sodium bicarbonate can actually help dissolve uric acid crystals and encourage their removal through urine, providing relief from acute gout symptoms. A study published in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatism noted that many people find that drinking a glass of water with half a teaspoon of baking soda during a flare-up helps reduce discomfort. Besides relieving pain, baking soda may also reduce joint inflammation, which would make movement easier and less painful. While baking soda can be a helpful addition to your gout management plan, it's crucial to remember that you should always use it under a doctor's supervision. This ensures you get the benefits without risking any complications. So, if you're looking for a natural, scientifically supported way to manage gout symptoms, baking soda might be the simple remedy you need right from your kitchen cabinet. Afterward, it reduces the symptoms of the flu and cold. When cold and flu season arrives, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by symptoms like a scratchy throat, stuffy nose, and persistent congestion. But did you know that baking soda, a simple and affordable staple, can be a powerful ally in your fight against these common illnesses? Baking soda's natural alkaline properties can help break down thick mucus, making it easier to clear your nasal passages and breathe better. This is especially helpful if you have a constantly runny or blocked nose. One of the best ways to use baking soda for colds and the flu is by gargling with it. Mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of warm water creates a soothing remedy that helps ease a sore, inflamed throat. In addition to relieving discomfort, gargling with this mixture helps reduce the number of bacteria and germs in your throat and mouth, making it harder for viruses to thrive. In fact, a study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that regular gargling with a baking soda solution can significantly reduce throat pain and the number of microbes, promoting a faster recovery from upper respiratory infections. To help clear congestion even further, baking soda can be added to saline nasal rinses. By neutralizing acids and breaking down mucus, it supports your body's natural defenses and speeds up your recovery. So, the next time you're feeling under the weather, consider reaching for some baking soda. It's a gentle, scientifically supported treatment that can significantly impact how quickly you recover from colds and the flu, showing that sometimes the best remedies are found right in your own kitchen. Next up, it may then improve cancer therapies. While it might sound surprising, the scientific community is increasingly interested in the possibility that baking soda could help in the treatment of cancer. Acidic environments are known to encourage cancer cells to grow and can also make them more resistant to certain treatments. Because of its natural alkalizing properties, baking soda has been studied for its ability to change the pH around tumor cells, which could make it harder for cancer to spread. One of the most interesting pieces of research on this topic was published in the journal Cancer Research in 2009. Researchers found that injecting mice with metastatic breast cancer with sodium bicarbonate significantly reduced the acidity of the tumors. This change in pH inhibited the cancer's spread and made the tumor cells more sensitive to chemotherapy. The results suggest that baking soda might improve how well traditional cancer treatments work by counteracting the acidic environment. Currently, researchers are exploring whether antacids like baking soda can be safely used alongside chemotherapy or other treatments to improve patient outcomes. However, it's crucial to emphasize that this research is still in its early stages. While the results in animal models are promising, more human clinical trials are needed before baking soda can be recommended as part of standard cancer therapy. Baking soda should be seen as a potential tool that might eventually complement existing medicines, rather than a miracle cure. Always seek advice from your medical team before trying any new supplements or treatments if you or a loved one is undergoing cancer treatment. Last but not least, natural deodorant. If you're looking for a quick, all-natural way to stay fresh all day, baking soda might be just what you need. It's a simple and effective alternative that comes right from your kitchen. Unlike many commercial deodorants that contain chemicals and artificial fragrances, its secret lies in its ability to absorb excess moisture and neutralize the acidic substances in sweat that cause body odor. By creating an environment that makes it difficult for odor-causing microorganisms to thrive, it keeps you smelling fresh even on your busiest days. The effectiveness of baking soda as a natural deodorant isn't just based on personal stories, it's scientifically supported. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that sodium bicarbonate significantly reduced underarm odor when applied topically. The researchers noted that baking soda's alkaline properties effectively neutralize the acids produced by bacteria and sweat, which are responsible for unpleasant smells. Additionally, baking soda is a fantastic choice for people with sensitive skin or anyone wanting to avoid harsh chemicals because it's free of parabens, aluminum, and artificial perfumes. Using baking soda as a deodorant is easy. Just sprinkle a small amount under your arms, either on its own or mixed with a little coconut oil for added moisture. You'll find that it helps keep you feeling fresh and dry, even in hot weather or during workouts. For those seeking a natural and environmentally friendly personal care option, baking soda remains a popular choice. While everyone's skin is different and some may need to test for sensitivity, if you're ready to ditch chemical-laden products, give baking soda a try. It's a simple, scientifically supported way to stay confidently fresh throughout the day. Next up, who needs to exercise caution? Even though baking soda has many amazing health benefits, it's vital to understand that not everyone can benefit from it. Some groups should be very careful, especially when considering higher doses or frequent use, whether internally or externally. For instance, people with kidney problems must exercise extra caution due to baking soda's sodium content. Individuals with impaired kidney function may find it difficult to remove excess sodium from their bodies, which can lead to fluid retention and other issues. Sufferers of high blood pressure should also be cautious. Because its sodium concentration can raise blood pressure levels, baking soda is risky for those already treating hypertension. Similarly, anyone with gastrointestinal conditions like gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux should speak with a healthcare provider before using baking soda, as it can alter stomach pH and potentially worsen these conditions. Another group that should use baking soda with caution is women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Excessive consumption can disrupt the body's electrolyte balance, which could affect both the mother and the unborn child. Additionally, it's wise to start with a small dose of baking soda because individuals with known allergies or sensitivities might experience skin irritation or digestive problems. Lastly, baking soda powder can irritate the airways, potentially aggravating respiratory conditions. Therefore, people with respiratory disorders should avoid inhaling it. In any situation, moderation and proper guidance are key. Before incorporating baking soda into your daily health regimen, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional if you fall into any of these categories or have underlying medical conditions. Conclusion: baking soda is much more than just a basic household ingredient. As you've seen, it's a powerful and versatile tool that can support your health in many unexpected ways. Its benefits, ranging from managing gout and soothing sore throats to potentially improving athletic performance, are supported by both scientific evidence and traditional use. However, remember to use baking soda sparingly and seek medical advice if you have any concerns. Do you have any personal tips to share? Or have you tried using baking soda for any of these remedies? Leave a comment below with your questions and experiences. We love hearing from you. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. We appreciate your support and interest in our channel. We've selected 2 more videos specifically for you to continue learning. Click on one of them, and we'll see you there.